What's up, you guys? Alan, back with a new video. I have not bothered changing my t-shirt because I just got exhausted of doing it. Like you can see in the box and on the title, I have a Jordan 1 Nike box, black with a red detailing. The reason I wore this t-shirt is because this cup of coffee, this box, and the sneaker inside, all in the same universe, baby. Red, white, and black.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me.
And of course, Shell, it's her hotel room with a trident. I'm gonna cut this out of the video anyway. So yeah, shout out to her for giving me a clean and bright environment. So let's pop this lid open because I'm really excited. As I do that, if you like Jordan 1s, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, looking at all of my past videos or looking at this one, you must subscribe because I have a lot of fun content. And as time goes, since I'm in Bombay, it's only gonna get better. Only gonna get better. With the lid gone, you have your regular plain paper. And as I lift that and tear that, to reveal the most beautiful silhouette in a fucking amazing colorway. Now I must admit, when I first saw images of the Bred Toe, I was like, yeah, they're just trying to get people all hyped with a variant of the black toe. And I was like, I'm gonna bite. But then because the Jordan 1 is my favorite silhouette, and the leather on these, when I saw them on the images, I just had to get myself a pair. Now they obviously come with spare red laces, but I'm not going to use them. I like the black laces on my Jordans. Let's go through the details really quick. So essentially, this is your regular black toe pair, except they swapped over the toe box from a white to a red. The quality of leather though, fucking amazing, mind-blowing. Like it's like the Air Force One acronyms and the Rockefellers, like the Breds, the Royals or whatever. I don't own a shattered backboard, so I can't really compare to those. But then the quality on these, buttery, the smell. Little kids with your tiny hands working away at sweatshops. The best kind of smell. Well, you know all that there is to know about the Jordan 1 silhouette. There's nothing new I can tell you. The colorway is your white, red and black. The regular tongue is the same as any other OG Jordan 1. So I'm going to quickly slip these on feet and not waste any time and show you what they look like. Until the next time, you guys, peace. Sneaker culture, bro. Yeah. We're all about streetwear and progressing the culture and all that, you know.